Hey there, thanks for being here. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of a really cool property that's listed right now in an even cooler neighborhood called Celebration Cape. And I would venture to say that even if you live in Cape Coral right now, you've probably never even heard of this community. It's a smaller gated community. There's only 57 homes in there. They've got super low fees, $250 a month, and that includes your lawn and land maintenance. The lot sizes are a lot larger than you're used to in a lot of these other gated communities. And best of all, it's not in a flood zone. It's not in a CDD. It's got central utilities in, and the assessments are in there and paid for. There's a lot to like about Celebration Cape. So let's get right into that. But first, if you're not familiar with this channel, my name is Dustin Guthrie. I'm a near 20-year resident of Southwest Florida and Cape Coral, and also a near 20-year full-time real estate broker here in this area. And I do a video like this every single week. I do really good informational topics. They don't always have to do with real estate like today's video does. Usually it's just good information for the folks that are interested in Southwest Florida. So if that describes you, or maybe you're somebody looking to move to Cape Coral or moving to Fort Myers or moving to Punta Gorda, or maybe you live here now even, I invite you to reach over and hit that subscribe button because you're going to get a lot out of these videos. I put a lot of time and effort into these things every single week and try to create a lot of value for the folks that watch this channel, because I know if I can do that, then odds are that when the time does come and you do need a realtor, if you're buying or selling a property here in Southwest Florida, you're probably going to remember me and reach out. And of course, my contact information is right there on the screen, and it's also down in the description of this video. You can call, text, or email me anytime. I would love to hear from you. I'd love to hear about your real estate goals and tell you how I can help you out with those. So with all that out of the way, let's get to this beautiful property in this really cool community of Celebration Cape.
Celebration Cape is located right in the middle of the city of Cape Coral, just east of Santa Barbara Boulevard and north of Nicholas Parkway. It's a small gated community of only 57 home sites and a common park and pond, all situated securely behind a 6-foot concrete privacy wall. The home we're taking a look at today is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath concrete block home that was built in 2015. It has just over 1,800 square feet of living area under air conditioning, plus a 2-car garage and a screen pool and lanai out back. This home has a very modern floor plan. It's a great room concept with a front to back split bedroom floor plan. So in other words, we've got the guest rooms up front and the main bedroom and bath are in the back with views out to the pool deck. The flooring is all this wood grain luxury vinyl tile throughout, which is very durable and waterproof, so it's nice to have in a pool home like this. I also really like the trim work that's done in this house. You notice the crown molding throughout these guest rooms here and that really nice wainscoting in the front entry. So as we move further into the house, here's the laundry room, which is also where the garage entry is. There's great storage in here with these upper cabinets in this room, and of course it's great to have that matching laundry sink in here as well. Okay, moving into the great room, which is essentially just an open kitchen, living room, and dining room all together, and they're all here at the back of the property. Oh, I also wanted to point out that all these interior doors are 8 feet tall, which I've always really liked. The ceilings throughout this house are tall, somewhere around 10 feet, so to have these nice tall 8-foot doors is a real bonus. So this is a nice modern kitchen with the big island there. It has these darker wood cabinets which go pretty well with the upper level granite countertops, as well as this underhung stainless steel sink and the newer stainless steel appliances. Check out this pantry. This is not a terribly large pantry, but it's got this great built-in in here, and that really helps out with this space. It really makes use of that full high ceiling in here. And again, this space is just really opened up. You've got the dining area over there in the corner. The master is out through that doorway over there, and everything looks back through these back windows to the pool area, and of course that's the focal point of this entire house. We'll get out there in a minute. So now we're in the main bedroom here, and of course that looks out over the pool deck as well. out through those back windows there. This is a pretty good size room. Here you can see the view out. It's a beautiful pool deck. We'll get out there again in just a second. So we have dual closets on the way into the main bathroom here, but only one of them is actually a walk-in. The other one is nice and tall again, but it's a little bit thinner. So the main bathroom back here is certainly no frills, but it's an ample space and it's certainly functional. You've got the dual vanity, you've got the walk-in shower, plus you've got that nice big garden tub. You got everything you need back here in this main bathroom. And that about wraps it up for the inside of this house, so let's go take a look at that beautiful pool deck back here. So this is just a massive pavered pool deck. There's really a lot you can do within the screen lanai here. I also want to point out another unique feature here in this community. You'll notice that there's not another house directly behind this one. There's actually a road back there, and that really gives homeowners in here some extra privacy, especially with the big hedges in the back, and that's a really great thing to have, especially when you're out here enjoying yourself on this big pool deck. This home also has upgraded hurricane protection with these accordion shutters, and when you couple those with the fact that the home has a brand new roof and it's not in a flood zone, that all really translates into some really affordable insurance for this place, which is great these days.
So this is just a really beautiful home. It's newer, it's less than 10 years old, and it's in an absolutely stunning community. If you've never heard of or been in Celebration Cape, and you know, I would venture to say that even if you live here in Cape Coral, you probably haven't even heard of this place before. It's really a diamond in the rough, tucked back in the corner here in the central location. But you should really check out Celebration Cape. It's one of a kind, and just in the sense that you know, it's gated. There's a 6-foot wall around the outside, so it's very safe here. There's sidewalks throughout the entire community. There's only 57 homes in here, so it's smaller, and it's got its own private park, a private dog park, a great big lake, and a tiki hut sort of as the common areas. And unlike a lot of the other gated communities around here in Cape Coral and elsewhere in Southwest Florida, the fees in here are just super low. They're $250 a month, and that includes your lawn and land maintenance. And while we're on that subject, also unlike a lot of the other communities here in Southwest Florida, the lot sizes here are pretty big. They're actually a standard Cape Coral lot, so they're 1/4 of an acre. Usually you see these communities and these homes are stacked right up on top of one another, but not so here in Celebration Cape. You've got plenty of room to go outside, do some yard work, do whatever you like to do in your own private backyard and things like that. And it's just a really stunning community, and I invite you to check it out.
This really is a great home and an amazing little community, and when you take into consideration the lot size, the low HOA fees, and all of the insurance savings this place offers, it really is an excellent offering at $487,500. And if you'd like any more information about this home or this community, shoot me a call, a text, or an email, and I'll be happy to send you the full report on this thing.
So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of that beautiful property and that really cool community of Celebration Cape. I really do enjoy that place out there. It's really unique that we have that here right in the middle of our city of Cape Coral. So if you did enjoy this video, reach over and hit that like button if you wouldn't mind, because it helps me out and helps the channel out. And if you're not subscribed, reach over and hit the subscribe button while you're at it, because you're going to get a lot out of these videos I put out every single week. In just a few days, I'll be doing my monthly Cape Coral real estate market update, where I give you all the stats and the facts and the figures that the Cape Coral real estate market has put up in the last month. So make sure you're subscribed and you're around for that. And we just passed 1,000 subscribers this week. Hey, that's not too bad, right? And I always love hearing from you folks. So make sure, especially if you have an idea for a video or something, leave me a comment down there and let me know. And thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next video in just a few days.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.